When my daughter turned 3, we enrolled her into a play school in the neighborhood, a small one with about 80 kids. During the admissions, my wife was added to a couple of WhatsApp groups for the parents. Next day onward, she had to deal with dozens of additional messages, most of them just noise. I'm sure this is a problem you all face on a daily basis when you have to interact with small businesses that are part of your routine. As customers, we get frustrated with these interactions, especially when in these times we all prefer to deal with everything on our mobile phones. The reason for this problem is very simple. Most business transactions of small businesses in a community are still outside the digital ecosystem. Small businesses cannot afford expensive productivity tools, or they are not tech savvy enough to use them. So they opt for free but unproductive tools like chat. Or worse, they interact with you non-digitally. Hi, I'm Ashwin, and I introduce to you one, a solution for this problem we all face. One is a single mobile app to connect with multiple businesses in your daily life. Let me show you how one would work to serve a community. One is devised as two apps, one for the business and another for the customer. Small businesses download one and then they add features that are specific for their business. A school might want an attendance marking function, a clinic appointment booking, and so on and so forth. At the end, they get a customized app for their business in just a few minutes. Businesses then invite their customers to connect with them. When many customers engage with one business, a hub and spoke is formed. When the same customer engages with multiple businesses, a cluster is formed. Communities are essentially a network of these clusters. Digitization of small businesses is big. In India alone, it is estimated as a $200 billion industry in the next few years. Globally, we estimate it as a $1 trillion market. In a space crowded with software tools, small businesses really have limited choices. For them, there are either expensive niche players serving a single sector, or there are generic players serving generic functions like a social media or chat. So one has an edge over all these competitors at the bottom of the pyramid because it is affordable for the small players at a cost of $0 to $200 per year. It is sector agnostic and dummy proof, and above all, for their customers, it has complete data privacy. Since we launched in March this year, we have had a growth rate of 38% on our MRR, with nearly 4,000 users and businesses all across India using it, at an average of 156 users for every single business app launched on one, with a churn rate of less than 20%. We believe we are building a highly scalable and sticky platform. One is brought to you by a strong team with a cumulative experience of nearly 60 years. Shahin has over 20 years of experience working with multinationals and building consumer products that are used by millions globally. It is his architecture that gives one an edge as an extremely light app. Bhavani has 15 years of experience with multinationals and startups in marketing, and in fact, she's been a key person in launching a brand in Dubai, almost entirely on digital media. I have over 25 years of experience as a technocrat in Singapore and Dubai. In fact, I was one of the key members of the core team that launched Dubai Metro. My strength is that I bring people of diverse expertise together to build products that can be used by millions. We have built this product in India, leveraging on its strength of software developer resources. But as we scale up, we know that being in a place that would help us launch globally, like Abu Dhabi, would mean very important to us. Not just that, having lived in that part of the world, we know how one would be a great fit in digitizing the communities there. So if you want to be part of building a highly scalable, sticky platform that would serve the unserved at the bottom of the pyramid, we would love to talk to you. Thank you and take care.